In this video, we are going to look at some Capcut video editing tips that beginners need to familiarize themselves with. Hello everyone, you are welcome to Morning Hustle. The first Capcut feature on our list is text to speech. You can easily convert your text to speech in Capcut video editing by clicking on text to speech. In using the text to speech feature on Capcut, you click on text, then text to speech. Fill the text you want to convert to speech. Then pick the voice you want to use, either male or female, narrative or story, or children. Then you click on all. Clicking on all means you want every text in that video to be converted to speech. Then you click on generate and play your video. Play your video and you see that all your text has been converted to speech. To use the Capcut text to speech feature, first import your project into Capcut. Then click on text. Input the text you want to convert to speech. Then click on text to speech. This is text to speech. The first thing you should do when you get here, click on apply all so that all your text can be converted to speech. Then pick the voice you want, either male or female, anime, meme song, English or Spanish. Some voices are for pro users while other voices are for free users. So if you are a pro user, you can go ahead and use the pro user. Then the free user, you still have good voices to pick from. For this project, I'll be using American male voice. Give it a few seconds to generate. This is the outcome of converting the text to speech.
Text-to-speech is a feature in Capcut video editing app that helps convert your text to spoken words.
So this is a function of the text-to-speech feature in Capcut. You can upgrade to pro user or continue using the free version. The second one on our list is the auto caption tool in Capcut. This feature will save you a lot of hours in editing your video. Just click on text, then auto caption, and it will automatically convert all what you said in your video to text. You can go ahead and edit this text by clicking on batch edit. If the words in the text does not match what you said, you can click on batch edit. Then select any style of font, effect, animation to spice up your video. Auto caption means to convert all your speech to text. That means convert the words you are saying in your video to text. To convert it, you click on text. Then you see auto caption. Click on auto caption. Pick the template you want to make use of. They have templates for pro users and also for free users. Let me go for this. Then generate. Give it a few seconds to generate. Now this is it. You can see it has automatically captioned the words. Now let's play it. In this video, I will show you the prompt I used in generating this beautiful family portrait from Bing Image Creator. To access Bing Image Creator, you must have an account with Microsoft. If you don't have an account, still go ahead and spice up the text by clicking on style. You can change the template if you don't like the one you picked first. You click on font to change the font style. This is effect, animations. You can also edit the text by clicking on edit captions in case some of the text don't match the words that you said in the video. This is how you can make use of the auto caption feature in Capcut. Default ending. You can remove the Capcut default ending by clicking on it and then click on delete. Alternatively, you can go back to Capcut homepage, click on setting, then you click here to turn off the default setting. Capcut will never appear at the end of your video again. Let me show you how to easily remove default ending in Capcut. You can see this Capcut default ending that usually shows at the end of your video. You can easily remove it by clicking on it, then delete. Alternatively, you can go to Capcut homepage. On the right side of your mobile device, click on setting. Then you see add default ending. You can see here it is on. Just click on it. Discard ending. Click on discard. Don't click on keep. After that, Capcut default ending will not show at the end of your video. Now let's go back to the video and see. Now this is the end. Also give my page a follow. Thank you. Now this is the end of the video. You can see Capcut default ending did not appear again. That is how you can easily remove the Capcut default ending. The fourth one on our list is the overlay feature. You can play a video on top of another video by using the overlay feature. This can be an explanation video or an educational video. This is how you do it. Now let me show you how to make use of the fourth Capcut tips on our list, which is the overlay feature. As you can see here on your screen, you can see overlay. Overlay means playing a video on top of another video. Now you click here, add overlay. As you can see, this is the overlay video. This video, I will show you the prompt I use. You can mute one of the videos. Both videos are talking. So you can just come here. In case you want to mute this, just click on the overlaid video and click on mute. You can go ahead and remove the background of the overlaid video to blend into the first video. That is how to make use of overlay. The effect, filter, or whatever text you want to apply in the video. Before we move on to the 6 tips of CapCut video editing, please do me the favor by liking this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification, share, and please don't forget to leave a comment as I bring more tips on video editing for beginners. The 6 tips of CapCut feature, which is the retouch feature. You can use the retouch feature to enhance your look or to do minor adjustment to your look. This is how you can make use of the retouch feature in CapCut. Retouch feature only helps to enhance your look. You upload your video to CapCut, click on the video, then you scroll down to retouch. You can see body retouch, face retouch. Body retouch is chest, the neck, arms, wide shoulders, hips. So I'm not working on this, and these ones are for pro users. Now facial retouch. Yeah, you can retouch this to smoothen the skin, smiles, bright eye, dark circles, brighten, white teeth, and more. The 7th one is improve audio. You want to make sure that your video has good audio. To achieve this, you can use the following features in CapCut. One is the enhanced voice. You can use this feature to enhance your voice to make it sound better. Second one is a reduce noise. This CapCut features helps reduce the background noise in your video. Improve audio. You can help improve the audio of your video in CapCut by clicking here. When you click here, then you scroll down, you can see enhance voice. Click on enhance voice and click here and click for it to generate. Scroll down to reduce noise, click on reduce noise. This helps to remove the background noise of your video. The reduce noise only help reduce the background noise of your video. It might not remove all the noise from your video. It will help reduce the noise. This is a CapCut feature you can use to help make your audio sound better in your video. These are the features you can use to improve your audio in CapCut video editing. The 8th one is the aspect ratio. This is used to help adjust your video dimension. You can easily adjust your video to fit into any of your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter by using the aspect ratio feature. Aspect ratio is used to adjust your video dimension. To make use of it, click on aspect ratio. You see different aspect ratio here for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. So if I want this video for Instagram, I can click here and you see the aspect ratio have changed. This is for YouTube and you can see the aspect ratio have changed. So that is the benefit of using the aspect ratio. Aspect ratio helps you adjust the dimension of your video to fit into all your social media platforms. Before we move to the 9th one, please, I hope you subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification, share, like this video, and please leave a comment. Leave a comment as to support this channel so that you too can help push it out there for the right audience. Thank you for subscribing. Now to the 9th feature, which is the stock videos. You can easily get stock videos from CapCut for free. This is how you can get stock videos or stock clips from CapCut. Click on new project. Go to library. These are all the stock videos they have. These are all the stock videos they have. This is for Christmas and New Year, green screen videos, background videos, intro, these are the videos, transition, you can see all this landscape video, scenery, atmosphere, live. You can easily get stock videos from here. Pick on any video you want. To make use of it, just click on the video you want, or you see a video that fits into your content, pick the video and you can start creating content making use of those videos. The last one on our list, which is the 10th one, is a remove background. You can easily remove the background of your video using Capcut video editing app. You can achieve this by clicking on the remove background option in Capcut. You remove the background and you can replace it with your choice background. Let me show you how to use the last tips, which is the remove background. You can automatically remove the background of your video using the remove background feature. Now this is a video. Scroll down to remove background. Where you see remove background, BG means background. Click here, auto remover. The background has been removed. You can replace it with your choice background. I've made a video on how you can remove and replace a background. Browse to my channel and you see the video and learn how you can replace the background. It's very easy and straightforward. This is how you can easily remove the background of your video. These are some of the few tips and features of Capcut for beginners. You will discover more tips and features of Capcut when you start making use of Capcut consistently. To be able to be perfect in video editing or using any of the video editing app, you have to use it on a consistent level. Even when you don't have any content to shoot, you can just practice, upload a video and start using it to discover more features and tips in using video editing app. And I suggest this Capcut for beginners because it is beginner friendly and easy to use. I'm also a beginner in using Capcut video editing app and it has really helped me a lot. You can go ahead and watch more of my videos on how to become a content creator, how to create a realistic and fake YouTube background, how to overlay, and so many things that I've uploaded. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share, leave a comment on what content you want me to create or what Capcut feature you are still finding difficult to use, and I will be glad to make a video and help you on it. You can link up with me on Instagram and Facebook. Just type Monique Hustle and you see me there. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.